This is a short video that demonstrates how a page of a handwritten text in Yiddish can be optically recognized on eScriptorium platform with the model Vilne-yiddish that I trained specifically for the OCRing Yiddish text. So let's imagine we have a page of a text in Yiddish which we want to optically recognize. We are going into the eScriptorium platform and uploading this page. Here it is. Now we have to do first segmentation. It takes usually about a minute. Now when it is done, we are going inside, and here we can see how accurately the segmentation was done. At this stage we can change something. For example, here we can exclude the word which doesn't belong and to change some lines. And then we are coming back into images and starting transcribing with the model Vilne-yiddish. It also takes about half a minute. And now we can look how accurately it was transcribed. So here, if there are some mistakes, we can correct them. In this line, it seems to me there are no mistakes. In the second line, for example, here should be Gimel. But in general, there are not so many mistakes, mostly because the text is quite clear and the layout is quite simple. And after correcting all the mistakes, we can see this text in the form of already recognized text, and we can, for example, to copy-paste it into other document. Alternatively, we can come back to the image, and here we can export the whole file, the image, if we need it, the markup, which means all the segmentation and so on, and the text itself. If the text is more complicated, if handwriting types is more difficult, then of course there will be much more mistakes, and the correction process can take maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but still it is much quicker than to do all the work manually.